India is making its mark and presence felt on the global economy. It has become a sourcing and manufacturing hub for various goods, commodities, and is attracting more investments from across the globe. This has created vast business opportunities with tremendous demand for rigid packaging. The requirement for innovative, optimum, and advanced packaging solutions for domestic and export-oriented units has become vital to attract, protect, and preserve their end products. This is where we, Radheshyam Wellpack, will be your reliable packaging solutions partner. Welcome to Radheshyam Wellpack Private Limited, an ISO certified company. Any size, any shape, we will pack it for you. Founded in 1975 by Mr. Ramesh Punjabi, it has been more than 4 decades in packaging industry serving our esteemed clients. Our product range, from multicolor primary cartons to high-strength corrugated shipper boxes, customized fitments, palletized options, water-resistant boxes, and returnable solutions. Prominently located in MIDC Chakan, Pune, a well-established industrial belt of Maharashtra in Western India. Our plant building is a spaciously designed facility for manufacturing, material movement, and a dedicated finished goods storage for just-in-time deliveries. With latest automated machines for board, printing, finishing, and in-house fully equipped quality control lab, our commitment to assured quality products and prompt services is our secret mantra for client satisfaction and reliability. Our sourcing is from the best paper mills in India. We follow stringent checks for kraft paper and board. Our experienced team leaves no stone unturned for the best manufacturing processes and in-process quality checks to ensure defect-free supplies. Our agile and versatile manufacturing setup is flexible to cater to changing schedules, and with our committed logistics teams, we never miss a deadline. The team undergoes regular trainings and skill upgradation sessions to keep them updated and on top of their work. Since the past decade, our special attention has been towards designing and adding value to the existing supplies. With the recent addition of automated sample maker has benefited our clients for better design options and faster development of new products. Our consistent efforts are duly noticed by our clients, and we have been awarded with several awards like Best Supplier of the Year. Radheshyam Wellpack has always been committed towards the highest level of compliance and safety and is committed to further our efforts to ensure a secure environment for our employees. We have a fully equipped firefighting system for improved man and material safety. Safety trainings and drills are conducted at regular intervals for our employees. We care for the health of our employees by organizing medical camps, regular health awareness and counseling programs, best housekeeping practices, and we have undertaken stringent measures to control the COVID-19 pandemic. Radheshyam Wellpack is proud to have installed a sustainable manufacturing plant. Our entire facility runs on solar power, green building design, and LED lighting throughout our premises, ensuring a minimum carbon footprint. Recycling our product waste, recharging our groundwater by rainwater harvesting are our small steps in saving and protecting our environment. With changing times, Radheshyam Wellpack has molded itself from a traditional packaging company into a structured organization. Always forthcoming in investing in new technologies, human capital, and processes. Radheshyam Wellpack's customer-first policy and commitment of our enthusiastic team, together we can tap the vast ocean of opportunities in the global packaging industry. Radheshyam Wellpack is in line with Make in India initiative by the Government of India. And never forget, any size and any shape, we will pack it for you.